And today's boiler, what we're looking at, is a Potterton Performer 24 Eco. And just a word of warning, safety on boilers is paramount. So we need to take precautions on your safety, especially with electrics. So that's what we're going to be really focusing on. We've got electrical problem and we're not getting no heating. So always turn the power off. So you've got the switch there. So when you're working on a boiler, turn the power off. Also, just to mention, I've took the fuse out as well of this spur switch here. There's a fuse on the top. So the problem what we've got, there's been a slight leak what's gone onto the time clock, and I think that's a problem. So if you look closely, you can see the live neutron earth, and on this side here, that's going to be the output going to the boiler. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link across in a second, and then see if the boiler fires up. So the link's going to go from live here across to the output here, and then we'll see if the boiler fires up. Put the link in now, and I've turned the power on, and the boiler is now fired up and working. So it was the time clock. So this is what you can do to prove that the time clock's failed. And if you get a new time clock, and then put a new one on. So that's basically it today. So if you've got any comments or ideas you'd like to add, you can do. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon.